How to transfer ownership of a Facebook page. In this video, I will show you how can you easily transfer ownership of a particular Facebook page to a new user. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, firstly open your Facebook page on web browser and then go to settings. Once you click on setting, you will see the option of page role. Click on it and then again click on page role, where you will be directed to a page of list of admins and also an option to assign a new page role. That means to provide ownership to a new user. Type their name and click on add. And that's it. Just by following these easy steps, you will be able to provide a new user access to your Facebook page. Now make sure that the new user can also kick out you as an admin from the page. So that's all for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.